BrowserAct review. Is this AI web scraper worth it? Well, let's find out. So BrowserAct is a no-code AI-powered browser automation and web scraping platform that allows users to extract structured website data using natural language prompts. It runs entirely in the cloud, avoiding local setup, and is designed for users who need browser-based tasks automated without any code. So, here's its strengths and legitimacy. It has the true no-code operation. They also handles complex sites very well. They even have natural language control, residential IP routing and geo bypass, and it's also trusted by many users across sectors like your market researchers, analysts, SEO specialists, and developers. Although it comes with its weaknesses, it lacks the pricing transparency, they also have less technical control, and they have a new tool which is limited with 2 reviews, and they have coverage consistency. But although it has some broader feedback or community insights as well, so it's the best for non-coders, market researchers, and users tracking pricing reviews. But it's not ideal for developers or engineers needing fine-grained control over advanced pagination logic. So in conclusion, Browser Act is legitimate and it's also legitimate and effective with an AI web scraper and automation tool. So it's not worth it, but it's legitimate.